I want to be completely honest with you. 6 months ago, I was working 12 hours a day, writing, editing, coding, researching, everything manually. Today, I work 2 hours, same output. Actually, better output. The difference? 5 AI tools. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which ones and exactly how I use them. No fluff, no sponsored hype, just the real workflow. These aren't tools you've just heard about. These are tools I use every single day to run 6 YouTube channels and 3 AI products, almost completely on autopilot. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool does what, how much it costs, and the one thing most people get wrong when they try to use AI in their workflow. Stay until the end, because tool number 5 completely changed how I think about the internet. Tool number 1, Claude by Anthropic. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just like ChatGPT? No, and the difference matters. Claude is the AI I use for everything that requires actual thinking, writing video scripts, like this one, building content strategies, analyzing data and giving me real recommendations, even coding, without me knowing how to code. Here's what makes Claude different. It doesn't just answer your question, it thinks with you. You can give it your entire business context, your audience, your goals, your tone, and it remembers everything inside that conversation. The result? It doesn't feel like a tool. It feels like a business partner who actually knows your situation. I use Claude's Projects feature, where I upload my entire channel strategy, my brand voice, my content calendar, and every single script I write already knows exactly who we're talking to. That alone saves me 4 hours a week. Price? The Pro plan is $20 a month. For what it replaces, a writer, a strategist, a researcher, that's not a subscription. That's the best investment I've made this year. Claude. Tool number 1, non-negotiable. Tool number 2, ElevenLabs. And this one is personal for me. English is not my first language. I knew that if I wanted to build a global YouTube channel, I needed a voice that sounds completely professional in English. ElevenLabs is the most advanced AI voice generator in the world right now. You type your script, you choose a voice. It generates audio that sounds completely human. Natural breathing, natural pauses, natural emotion. And here's the part most people don't know. You can clone your own voice. Record 30 seconds of yourself talking. ElevenLabs learns your voice, your tone, your rhythm, your accent. And from that point forward, it speaks for you, in any language. I'm using it right now. This voice you're hearing? ElevenLabs. And the quality is good enough that most viewers never notice. They just say, great presentation skills. For creators who want to sound professional without a studio, without a microphone, and without a voice coach, ElevenLabs is the answer. Creator plan, $22 a month. Link is in the description. ElevenLabs. Tool number 2. Tool number 3. HeyGen. This is the tool that made this video possible. HeyGen lets you create a digital version of yourself, an avatar that looks like you, moves like you, and presents your content without you ever sitting in front of a camera. You write the script. ElevenLabs gives it a voice. HeyGen gives it a face. The avatar I'm using right now was created in under 30 minutes. No camera, no lights, no editing team, and the lip sync? The latest Avatar 4 model from HeyGen is the most realistic I've ever seen at this price point. For YouTube creators who are camera shy, or who, like me, want to publish content in multiple languages without recording the same video 10 times, HeyGen is a complete game changer. You generate the avatar video, you add your B-roll, you upload to YouTube. That's the entire production pipeline. $24 a month. And yes, affiliate link in the description. I use it. I recommend it. Simple. HeyGen. Tool number 3. Tool number 4. Cursor. And this one is for everyone who ever thought, I wish I could build my own tools, but I don't know how to code. Cursor is a code editor, like VS Code, but with one massive difference. There's an AI assistant built directly inside it that writes code with you in real time. You describe what you want to build in plain English, and Cursor writes the code. I built an entire automation tool that pulls trending topics from the internet, formats them into a content brief, and sends it to my email every morning, without writing a single line of code myself. I described it to Cursor. Cursor built it. I clicked run. That automation now saves me 45 minutes every single day. Across a year, that's 11 full working days. Free with a very capable free plan. Pro is $20 a month if you want the more powerful AI models. Cursor, tool number 4. Even if you've never written a single line of code, this is where you start. Tool number 5. And this is the one that changed how I think about information. Perplexity AI. Most people still use Google the same way they used it in 2015. Type a question. Get a list of links. Click 5 websites. Read for 20 minutes. Still not sure what the answer is. Perplexity is different. You ask a question. It searches the entire internet in real time. It reads the sources for you, and it gives you one clear, cited answer. I use Perplexity every morning for trend research, competitor analysis, and finding content ideas that nobody else has covered yet. What used to take me an hour of research now takes 4 minutes, and the Pro version gives you access to the best AI models in the world. Claude, GPT-4, Gemini, all inside one interface. Free plan is genuinely useful. Pro is $20 a month. Perplexity. Tool number 5. Replace your Google habit starting today. So let's recap. 5 tools, 1 workflow. Claude, for thinking, writing, and strategy. ElevenLabs, for professional voice in any language. HeyGen, for video content without a camera. Cursor, for building tools without knowing how to code. And Perplexity, for research that actually saves time. The total cost of this entire stack? Under $90 a month. The time it saves me? Conservative estimate, 30 hours a week. Now, one more thing before you go. If you're using AI tools to work globally, to communicate with international clients, or to build an audience in English, and your pronunciation is holding you back, check out SpeakPro in the description. It's an AI English coach that works on your accent 5 minutes a day. No classes, no teachers, just AI that actually corrects you. Link is below. If this video gave you one idea that saves you an hour this week, that's the whole point of this channel. Subscribe, because next week, I'm going to show you the exact automation system I use to run 6 YouTube channels with almost 0 manual work. You don't want to miss that one. I'll see you in the next video.